Okay, so now that you have downloaded SORA and authenticated, let's search for a book. Here's your search bar. This is your customization of SORA, so you can add your name, you can put a little icon, you can actually pull in a different library, your public library, and there's different settings that you can take a look at over here. You have your preferences in the orange bar, and then down here is your customized where your shelf is, and you can search, and your home page, which your teachers will be using next year and the year after. This is also where you could take a look at statistics on how fast you're reading and how long it'll take you to actually finish a book, which is really cool. Down here you see I have already opened up Percy Jackson, and I have started reading that. I'm going to search for another Percy Jackson book and see what is available. There are not only ebooks available, but there are audiobooks. Taking a look here at my search, I have this audiobook here. I have this regular ebook here that I've already opened up, and then I have the whole Rick Riordan series available to me. So if you are looking for a particular book, you can see which ones are available because it'll say borrow. And if there is one that's not available, you can click on the little clock right here and you can see when it would be available. Okay, I'm going to open a book and play around with the different settings that are available. So this one, you can see it's opened up exactly where I left off, and it's in a 2-page format, and I can click in the center and that all the menu stuff disappears. Click again in the center, and I want to show you some customizations. One of the things here in the hamburger that you can take a look at is the search bar, and you can search for where certain words, or if you read about something, you could type that in and find exactly what page it was on. Different chapters, so you can return exactly to a chapter that you stopped reading. Bookmarks, see where you put a bookmark, and take a look at the reading settings. This is really cool. So this changes your text size, makes it smaller, makes it larger. Click on this to make sure that you have all options available. And taking a look at lighting, this is bright, sepia, dark. This is my favorite for nighttime. Then scrolling down, you can change the font. Down here, legible, scholar. This is a great one if you have a learning disability or if you have dyslexic. Take a look at how the font changes. So the text is bottom heavy, and this can help you so you minimize the reversals. I like this a lot. All right, I can make it all disappear by clicking on the center. I'm going to click on the book again. Read here a little summary and see here that I have read 11 minutes, and I can read a little bit more here, and it'll tell you how much I have read and how much more I have until I finish the book. I'm going to click in the center, read the book, click in the center again. So I'm finished reading for the day, and let's say I decide I'm finished with this book. This is one of the super important things that I want to impress upon you. If you decide you don't want this book, I want you to close it and I want you to return it. Please do this as a courtesy to other students who are waiting for any books. The books will stay on your shelf right here for 2 weeks. If you decide you don't want that book, please return it right away. All right, I hope that was good enough as a little introduction to SORA. I will be adding more videos, so stay tuned and happy reading.